How to know if you have been blocked by any other user on WhatsApp. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can know if you have been blocked on WhatsApp. Now, first thing, there is no any actual way to know if you have been blocked. However, there are a bit of signs that you can see in order to know if you have been blocked. First thing is if you open up WhatsApp and if you head over to certain text, and there, now I'm on the group here, but suppose this is another user and you send them the text. Now, if you send a text and if it says delivered, as you can see there are two different tick marks, then it means the message has been delivered, it has been received on their account, which basically means they haven't blocked you. And if they don't see the message, if you don't see the blue tick mark, if the tick mark doesn't get blue, then it means they haven't seen the text, or it might be that they are busy or they might be ignoring you. However, if you only see the one tick, then it means they haven't opened the WhatsApp, they haven't been connected to internet, or they have blocked you. It's not quite precise to know if you have been blocked through this method. The other way is if you see that there is only one check mark, and if you head over to their profile picture and if it says there is no profile picture when you open up the profile, then it means that they have blocked you as well. Because if the person has blocked you, if a user has blocked you on WhatsApp, then you won't be able to view the profile picture, it'll say deleted. Similarly, the other way to know is to go ahead and open up a chat, and there at the top under their profile you'll be able to see when they were last online. If it shows there that their last online was this, then it means that they haven't blocked you. If it doesn't show, then it might mean that they have blocked you, or it might mean that they have turned off their online status feature. So if these three all combined together, you see that there is only one tick mark, and you see that they aren't online, or it doesn't show their active status, and their profile picture is not showing up, it says deleted or doesn't show up there, then it might mean that they have blocked you. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.